As of NC-SIML 2022.3, it is now possible to certify composite applications, including automated fiber placement, automated tape laying, and continuous filament winding. For the first example, you can see NC-SIML error checking for anything that would twist a fiber at too great of an angle, or if there's a lack of contact between the fibers and the pin position. This can be viewed continuously, only up to the current block of code, or with the stock model completely hidden. With any version of NC-SIML, you can always click on the error message or the surface inside the 3D window to see where the alarm occurs in the program. Inside the tool library, the width, thickness, and number of sections can be specified for each station when creating the fiber tape. In the second example, the same type of specific alarms can be accounted for, such as the layup angle being lower than the material's steering angle. Once paused or completed, tape information can be used to measure the number of layers applied, shown in the 3D, as well as the measurements window. Additionally, the total thickness of the applied surfaces can also be directly measured, and a variety of other specific measurement tools are available too. The results can be exported or compared against an imported neutral fiber, providing yet another solution to certifying any manufacturing process that you may encounter.